will of punishment. My hand is hurting like hell. Oh, or what was that? If I knew this hurts. You guys are literally making me feel pain right now. Go to hell. Solve 2 Rubik's Cubes in under 25 seconds. I don't know if this challenge is going to be easy or hard because I've never tried this challenge, but let's try it for first time. So first try, 22 seconds. Give me some hard challenges. This is easy. I'm going to be solving 5 by 5 one-handed. I don't know what to. Guys, my biggest fear right now is if I get parity, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna DNF into one other solve because I'm not trying to do parity on this cube. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Guys, 2 minutes in and I have just done the centers. This is gonna take a while, probably half an hour or something. And if I don't manage to complete any of these challenges in this video, I have to spin this wheel of punishment. No, I got a parody. No, I just got a no. Guys, I quit this challenge. My hand is hurting like hell and I don't know parity algorithm. I quit. I don't want to do this challenge. You know what that means? Spin the wheel. No, not the chili man. Not the chili man. I would have taken a spoon. Look at this thing. Wow, what was that? If I knew this chili was this spicy, I would have solved the 5 by 5. Oh my god. My mouth is on fire, man. Oh my god. Wow. Next challenge for me is to solve a Rubik's Cube with cold hands. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hand in the freezer for 5 minutes. Oh god. Okay, so I have the cube right here. I'm gonna try to solve it. My hand is literally freezing right now. Oh my god. I did not even inspect because oh my god. No. Okay, wow. This hurts. You guys are literally making me feel pain right now. Go to hell. The next challenge is trying to solve a Rubik's Cube one-handed from height. So it's goddamn windy right now, but oh my god guys, I'm scared. If this cube slips, then my main is gone. My main cube is gone. I'm not trying to go fast. I'm trying to go slow. No, not the aperm, not the aperm. My heart was racing. This cube right here was seeing death. It was seeing its last moment. That challenge was not hard, but it was definitely scary. So let's move on to the next challenge. The next challenge is to solve Rubik's Cube 10 times while doing plank. One solve done. Second solve done. Third solve done. Fourth solve done. Fourth. Fifth solve done. Sixth solve done. Oh my god, it started raining. Oh my god, it is raining in the middle of... It is raining. Oh my god, guys, it started raining. It is raining in the middle of solving, guys. Oh, shit. Shit. Seventh solve done. Eighth solve done. Ninth solve done. Last one. Oh my god, it's raining so much. Oh my god. 10 solve done. Oh my god, it's raining. Guys, look at me. Guys, look, it's raining so heavily. My cube is wet. I am wet. Okay, next challenge. This challenge is for you guys to click on any one of these videos.